Hey YouTube friends, and welcome back to Woodbury Cottage, and we are in the new building. I gotta work through that pile. But you can see back here I got some pegboard up and some organization started, and I'm going to share with you what I'm working on right now. Okay, I got my wood glue. And a set of 4 table legs. I got these off of a table that was being thrown away. And this piece of wood I got for $5.99 or $4.99. The tag's already tore off of it. But it's like a see how that is? It's pretty long. So what we need in here is, surface top that we can work on, but also not so big that we can't move it around. So I'm thinking this is going to be perfect. I'm not going to put it on the traditional way because I don't have the brackets that go with this part. So I'm going to, got some glue on here started. So I'm going to glue them on. Okay, I'm going to glue them as close to the corner as I can, keeping them straight. I had to put my glue in that ice cream bucket because my jug, that's a gallon of Titebond, but my jug got a hole punched in it. And I happen to have that ice cream bucket, so problem solved. I have to hold that for just a minute. This one looks like it's sliding. Then I'm going to take the nail gun, go in from the sides as much as I can. And then I'll probably put a brace between from here to here, glue it in right there. And that should hold it. Okay, let's see, can we get a nail in it? I don't know if these are long enough. So for this table, we've let it sit overnight and dry. The glue, I'm not 100% sure it's dry, but I hope it is. And we took the tape measure. And measured from the inside of this board to the inside of this board. Yeah, it's working. Okay, let me measure the other side. I was so excited about finishing this table today. I wrote down my supplies that I needed. I got my batteries charged. Now, if I were making this to sell, I would sand all this off, paint it all the right color. But I'm using it in the workshop here, and it's going to be full of paint and sawdust and everything anyway, so I'm not worrying about it. We got the chicken out here today. She has not been invited, but I think that broke my glue loose. Oh well, we'll just glue it back. This one I put a shim under. I bet that's what messed up that glue. Well, it's good I found out now, because the other one's real tight. This little popsicle stick is not working as a shim. Turn it back on. There we go. Yay! Okay, that one's good. Didn't go all the way through. Now, let's see, can we get this one back in? Now, this came off of a table that we threw, the top was ruined, so we saved the legs. But I didn't save those little metal brackets, so I can't install these properly, but I can make do with what I have, and that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna put a little more glue on it. I'm gonna put that popsicle back because I gotta have that shim there. Maybe if I glue the popsicle stick together, that'll help. Let's try that. No. Don't eat glue. Oh, that chicken. I'm telling y'all, that chicken will eat anything. She is a scavenger. We used to have a Chihuahua dog the same way. Oh, he would eat anything. You had to keep it on him constantly. Let's see if I can toenail it. Yeah. We gotta put the other one in. Let's put the other one in. I probably should have put a little glue on the bottom of that too. Get that sawdust off. Put a little bit of glue on it since I got some in the spoon. Can you see over there? We're in the new shop. Some of you that's just joining us for the first time came in this week. We're so excited about it. Oh, so nice. And this one, even though I measured it twice, still not going to fit. Maybe I can go this way with this one. No, too short. Alrighty, no worries. We got more board, a scrap board. I'm trying to use that tape measure for y'all. But I normally have more luck eyeballing it. I'm sure I'm not the only one like that. Y'all keep an eye out for that chicken. If she comes back in, I gotta move that glue. Nice. See, I knew I could eyeball it better. Let's turn this on. Let's flip it over and see what happened. Now the reason I wanted this narrow table like this is because I'm going to have it in front of pegboard. And I want to be able to reach over and get the stuff off the pegboard. So that's the purpose for that. When I saw it at the thrift store, I was so excited because wood right now is outrageous. We bought one piece of replacement lattice board. I'm talking about not a sheet of lattice. I'm talking about just the piece to replace one of the runs in it. $20. Nearly had a heart attack. And then we broke it on the truck coming home because you know it's real flimsy. I said, what was I thinking? We could have got a whole sheet of lattice cheaper than that. Well, it wouldn't have been cheaper, but we should have just bought another whole sheet. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Well, one leg fell off. That's the one that didn't glue. These look pretty good. I'm gonna put another screw in each leg coming from the top. And I'm gonna screw it to the wall. So, even though it's not done professionally or correctly, it's gonna work for for what I need it for. And as I go along, I'll learn how to do it professionally and correctly. That's 2 legs down, 2 to go. Okay, let's try this again. What's the chances? What is the chances that this leg is going to be longer than that leg? They came off the same table. It sure looks longer. Well, if it is, I'm just going to sand it off. Okay, let me see if I can get it to stay stable till I put the screw through the back. Okay, I think that'll hold it enough for us to get the screw in it. Let's do the same thing on the other end, because it fell off too. I guess it was just too humid last night for it to dry, for that glue to dry. Come on, legs, stay on just a few minutes. Alright, so far so good. Got these in my pocket. That's another craft we're going to do today. My daughter made it. I'm going to take them out of my pocket before I get them dirty. It's a little crochet thing she made, and I'm going to put them on bunny rabbits. She did me 3 because I like to do my crafts in 3s. Isn't that cute? It's made out of a little cotton string. I don't want to lose them. Well, yippee skippy. Can you see it? What do you think? Should I paint it black or? I don't know. What do you think on the color? It's pretty sturdy too. I mean, for a narrow table. I should have took my time and did that right and sold it, because that really looks good. I mean, once it gets the paint and stuff on it, that's a good sized table for the new houses that need narrow furniture. It kind of looks like a sofa table, but it's just a little beefier than a sofa table. I hope you enjoyed this little build today. I'm going to scan around, let you see what the shop's looking like. It's looking like a nightmare right now. You can see on the far wall where I'm just getting started to organize stuff. All of that is, let me see if I'm pointing in the right direction. That stuff over there is stuff that I had to take out of that trailer that was leaking, that ruined all my ribbon. But that part was okay. And then on that table over there, that is stuff that I'm getting ready to take to online sale. And I'll be sharing more with you about that online sale. That's actually what I'm working on today, is getting everything ready for that. It's online Facebook, online live Facebook. And a friend of mine that I did that vintage outdoor sale with weekend before last. We're gonna try for the first time, me and her together, an online Facebook live sale. So that's what I'm doing over there, getting all that ready. Okay, I want to show you what the guy that's helping me clean up and get everything cleaned up, he put that together for me, and there's two of them. The other one is back there. So for this one, I've got all the florals on it. I got both of those shelving units for $4. They were brand new in the box. I think they are to put shoes on, but they are not, they're not real strong. So I'm putting floral on because that would be lightweight. And then that one, I've got, just for right now, I've got paper on that one, but that won't work for the long run because paper's heavy and those units are not real strong. So I'll probably be putting floral on both of those because that's the lightest weight product that I use is florals. So, and I got my ring light back here, but I don't have enough electricity to use it yet. So, but we'll be having better lighting soon. We got to get the electrical in here, and I did put a rug on the floor to cut down on some of the sound bouncing off until we get everything organized and set up. But I think it's going to be a lot of fun so far. I love it. I can't wait to get my girlfriends over here. We'll be in here just a crafting and a laughing. So, crafting and laughing. And if they don't mind me filming them, I'll take a couple of films of that, let you see how a bunch of crazy ladies enjoy the afternoon. And so I'll make a video of that for you. All right, well, hey, I appreciate you coming along with me today. I appreciate all of you that have subscribed. Our subscriptions are going up. And we're trying to get to 1,000 for our second goal is 1,000. Our first goal was 100, and we did reach that. And we have a pair of scissors that we're giving away for that 100 subscribers. You know, well, we're going to draw one of the names off of it and give away that pair of scissors. But for when we reach, let's see, when we reach 1,000, we'll do another giveaway. And I tried to do something a little nicer than a pair of scissors, which those are nice scissors. The Fiskars, the little sharp ones. It's a pair like this. And you cut like that, and it's got a little latch that keeps that down. They're nice scissors. I've been enjoying this pair. This is actually the first pair I bought to give away. And I thought, oh, I better not give those scissors away until I try them. So I opened them, and I've been using them, and they are good. So I went back and got another pair for the giveaway. And so we got that ready to do. That'll probably be on our next video. All right, well, we appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. It means a lot to us. And we will see you next time. Bye.